Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell. How are you doing today? I am doing great and I want to welcome all of you to my channel. I have a special surprise for everybody, including myself. Today FedEx came like at 9 o'clock and look what he brought. FABFITFUN! Yay! Yes, I have my Spring 2022 FABFITFUN customized box, and we're going to go through it today and see what they sent me. I am so excited. If you don't know about FABFITFUN, it is a quarterly subscription. It runs $54.99. They did raise it by $5. Probably with shipping and maybe just all the goodies they have in here, they had to do that. But it's still a great value, and you can get an annual membership for $199.99, which is excellent. You get free shipping, you get VIP first access to getting your box customized, and you can completely customize it and pick out all choices of the 6 categories that they have. You can also be a part of the edit sale and be able to get things prior to others. So there are a lot of benefits to being an annual member, which I am. I would encourage you to do that too. They have edit sales all through the year, and the annual members get about a 2 to 3 week, I guess, a head start against the quarterly memberships. Now that's not bad or anything, but if you want to get yours before everybody and have a chance to see everything first, then you would want to be an annual member. But with all that said, let's get into this box because that's what we're interested in. And I did buy a couple of add-ons, so I have those as well. Okay, so we have our box. Let's open it up. FABFITFUN. We pull the flaps back. And this is what it kind of looks like on the inside. We have our product card magazine. And we have, pass along to a friend. So we have a coupon. This is a one-time coupon. If you're interested in that, screenshot that, use that code, and you can save $15 off your first box. We also have our stickers. They always send us some fun little stickers, and they're so cute, and these are nice and springy. I'm ready for spring. Are you guys ready for spring? And this is our FABFITFUN magazine, best day ever. And let's see how they've developed it this time. We always have our editor's note, and they just give us a little bit of information about FABFITFUN. What's in our box? Well, this is a sample of what could be in our box. We won't know until we pop in there. They talk about weekend getaways and tell you how to plan, so they give you some tips on that. They'll go over various other products in here. This is just something about looks and how to do them. This is about products for your fridge and possibly a kind of fridge that you'd want to get. And then they have us some recipes and different things that we can check into. So it's just a little informational. Ooh, they even have some nice drinks. All right. Y'all probably think I drink up a storm, but I don't. But I mean, I do, I guess, when I go on vacation. They've got hair power. These are some of the product choices in here too. It's just that we're not going to get the prices or the customization for each one. And that part I don't like about their new magazine. You get some exclusive offers in the edit sales, and with some of the vendors, they'll give us a special deal. But that's our magazine, and we're going to pop right in here. Our first item that I'm going to pull out of here, I'm going to try to find the customization number 1. It's kind of weird, but this box looks like my custom box. Do you think they messed it up? Let's see what's in this box. I don't know if y'all know this, but they've done that before. They send out, hey guys, we're going to check into this box. It's not a random box. This is my customized box. We are getting to see my customized box. I assumed it was my random box, but it is exactly everything I ordered in my customized box. So yay! We get to see a very early customized box from FABFITFUN. So here we go. In choice number 1, I believe it is, we could have chosen several different items: skin, makeup care, hair care probably, and what have you. And I chose the, I guess it's like a little house book. And I don't know if they have the name of it here. Let's get it out of here. It's going to be real silky like satin. Ooh, my goodness, it's so soft. And it's very pretty with the pink colors. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. And it's so soft, everybody. It's got pockets. So I love that. That is just going to be really nice and silky. So there's number one. And I think that's like $100 and something value. My next customization was several things to choose from. And of course, I chose the wine glasses. And these are plastic. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? They got like little crystals or little, I don't know if that's crystals. Little sparkles like glitter in the cup, and I really like that. They're plastic, so you don't have to worry about it breaking if it hits the floor. And there's a set of 4. Aren't those beautiful? Set of 4 in there. That was what's in our box, and it was by Bandu, and it's acrylic stemless wine glasses, so very nice. My next item that I customized, and this is where it's going to get really tricky because I'm not sure. I think this was the 3rd customization, and I picked Miracle Leave-In Keratin Spray. I used the Chi Keratin Spray on my hair, and it's getting down to getting empty, and I thought maybe I'd try this out and see how it is. So eventually this will be in my empties report on one of my Mass Mondays. And my Mass Mondays are every Monday, and the empties are at the end of the month, just in case you want to know. Okay, let's see what else I have here. A next customization that I did were the hair clips. With my long hair, I use these kind of clips all the time. I actually use them over, well, the bread wrap thing, the satin thing. For some reason, those things, they give me a headache really easy. They seem to pull more on my scalp, and I don't like that. But I love little clips, so I know I'm going to get great use out of these. My next item that I chose was the Stationery bundle. It came with pens, as you can see, and they're a little colorful pink, green, gray. I think that's gray. And then inside this box, we have our cards, and it looks like it might be like, yeah, it pulls out. Isn't that nice packaging? And then here it is. Isn't that pretty? And this is one of the cards right here. It's your birthday. So it's got birthday cards. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Then we have thank you cards. Different styles of thank you cards. I appreciate you. And here's a good one. Thank you so much. I thank you all so much for watching my channel and commenting and letting me know what you think. I really do. And you need to let me know what you think about this FabFitFun 2022 Spring box. This is my customized box. I'm so excited. Alright guys, then we just have some hello cards. Hi there. So if you just want to send someone a little note real quick, it'd be easy to do. These are very good quality, and you just open it up and you can write whatever you want on the inside. I had seen this over on Jessie's channel. You know, she did an extensive review of all the customizations. Yeah, I did see it on her YouTube. But anyways, she talked about all these products, and it really gave me an insight on some of it, and I decided to get the Stationery, and I'm glad I did. So Stationery and pens to write with. And my last customization that I got was the jewelry. Now you could have got the jewelry box. Now you could have got bundles that had like 2 or 3 things in it, and I already have one. I travel, you know, go on vacation, and I like the other one, so I decided to get me another one because I take lots of jewelry with me, especially when we're staying almost 2 weeks. Got room. I put earrings in there. I hardly ever use the ring thing. Got another little compartment over here to put your necklaces and maybe even bracelets. I just thought that I could use another one of these. So I am real happy with this. This is a Millie traveling jewelry case, and I know I like it because I already got one. That is my custom choices. So out of the custom choices, I got my jewelry box, I got my stationery with, I think it's 12 altogether, notes of happy birthday, thank you, and hello there with my pens. I got my keratin hair conditioner. I got my hair clips. We got our wonderful little crystal acrylic glittery wine glasses, which I love. Y'all come on over, we'll have a glass of wine. And then I got my luxurious satiny silk house coat. And guys, like I said, this is so nice. This is made by Morgan Lane for FABFITFUN. And it had like $198 value. I'm pretty sure of that, but I'll verify it. So, now the next two things that I got in the number one category, so you'll get to see something else in the one category. I got the Akaya, I'm not sure how you say that, Lazy Susan. Isn't that pretty? Let's open it up and see how it looks. I got this because you can use it so many different ways, and Jessica pointed that out too. But one thing you can do is you can use it just to have on a table to put your salt and pepper and napkins on. You can use it in your bathroom if you want to just have cosmetics on it. You can use this for a cheese and cracker spread display, or maybe possibly even fruits if they're not too juicy, or if they're in little bowls or whatever. So there's a lot that you can do, and of course it's going to turn around and spin, so it'll go real handy on a table if you're serving something and people want to just get to something and they can just turn it. This is very nice wood. I guess it is the Acacia wood. It says to wash thoroughly and hand wash only. There were some things like that some people might want to throw this in the dishwasher. No, don't do that. It's hand wash, and so it's kind of delicate. I'm going to use it more of a decorative piece, but I really love this. The next category, they had a Josie Moran whipped argan oil body butter. And I love to use body butter. I had a hard time trying to decide which one to get. And so I decided to get the body butter as an add-on. Because with this add-on here, for example, this might be a $60 value, and I got it for $15. With this, it might have been a $70 value or something, and I got it for like $10. And I'll put that up in the screen. But let's look at this whipped body butter. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can y'all see how whipped that is? Oh my goodness. Oh, it has a nice little citrusy smell. Oh, this is going to be so nice, guys. I can't believe how whipped this is. That looks like something you'd eat, but you're not going to eat it. You're going to put it on your body. How great is that? Oh my goodness, I love this box. In addition to my customized box, I got my body butter, and then I got this beautiful Lazy Susan wood display table tray. So I am very, very happy with my box. I think they had some great choices. I'm sorry, I just cannot remember all the customizations. So this box is probably going to have a $300 value customized box for $50, more or less, free shipping, right to my door, and it got here super fast, and I'm just so excited to be able to bring it to you all. What is your favorite? Did you have a favorite? What did you order in your custom box? Have you gotten your custom box? Oh, just so many questions. That's all I have today for the FABFITFUN. I do have some add-ons that I'll be doing later, and I'm going to have me a little battle between FABFITFUN bundles maybe. I've got some things that I need to get out. I just haven't had time to do it. I also have a FABFITFUN Mega Bundle Battle going on right now with Laura Wooden Unboxings, my daughter. And you can check that out and have a chance to win in our giveaway. I also will be having 180 Degree Box coming out soon. I will be having my 400 subscriber giveaway coming up soon, so you want to be sure to be on the lookout for that. We have another All True Spring collab coming up, and we are going to have another top collab in April. So there's lots coming up on the channel. I hope you love this box as much as I did. And again, if you have any questions or you got comments on what was your best, let me know down in the comments. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.